guys, welcome to Techno Fiction. The next unit in this module is Visualize your data with the Lightning Dashboard Builder. And in this module, you will learn the difference between a report chart and dashboard. Let's see the hands-on challenge. The hands-on challenge given here is to create an opportunities report and add it to a dashboard. So we have to create a report named opportunity stages with the report type as opportunities, and we have to set the range to all time and include the fields as opportunity name, opportunity owner, and we have to group it by stage. After saving the report, we have to create a dashboard named big deals, and we have to save the dashboard in any folder, and we have to add the component to the dashboard as opportunity stages, and we have to display the chart as donut chart. Okay, let's do our challenge. Launch your playground, and in your playground click this icon and search it as report. You can find an item as reports, click that, and in that click new report. And we have to choose the report type as opportunities, so choose opportunities and click continue. After that, we have to set the name as opportunity stages and the range is to be all time. So first we have to give the name it as opportunity stages. Next, we have to set the range as all time, so go to date and set the range as all time. Click apply and refresh the page. Next, we have to verify the fields whether it is included or not. Opportunity name, opportunity owner. Opportunity owner is included and opportunity name is included. Now we have to group it by stage. Click stage and click refresh. Next, save the report in any folder. Click save. Verify that the name is correct and select any folder. Click save. After report is saved successfully, again click this icon and type dashboards. You can see the item here. Click that and click new dashboard. You have to name the dashboard as big deals. And select a folder. And click create. After creating, you can see a button here, component. Click that. In that, select the report. Our report name is opportunity stages. I click that and click select, and after that you can see the type of charts. Click this donut chart and click add. We have added the report here. Now save it. and click done. If you want to refresh, click this refresh button here. Let's check the challenge. We have completed the challenge. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe.